Hi, I'm Glennie and I am the administrative assistant here for our leadership team. You probably have also seen me as the Daily Deal Lady. So today I'm going to share a little bit about what I like to do here. Some fun facts about me. People probably wouldn't know. I used to be a radio disc jockey, so that was super fun. I also was in a rock and roll band, so that was also super fun. So I want to share some of the pretty things that I make. I do sew. I've made some quilts, but this is kind of my real true love. It's making stuffies. They're called Amigurumi, and you can see some of these are pretty much the same style. One of my very favorites that I have right now is a designer who makes this book. It's called Animal Friends of Peek-a-Pow. So you can see like my gorgeous little frog, my kitty cat, the turtle. Oh my goodness, the turtle. Look at that. So, so cute. It all started with this little guy right here. I keep him. He's my wonky cat. It's the very first amigurumi I ever made. So, and it just skyrockets from there, just like everything else that's a fabric or a creative hobby like this. So one thing that I learned doing this is we call it frogging whenever you're doing crochet. So you can't be like emotionally attached to what you just crocheted. You have to be willing to rip it out and start it over again. So the other thing that I learned is Berroco Heritage Yarn. It makes beautiful things and comes in a ton of colors. So go grab that if you want to make some of these cute stuffies. Oh, my cool sweater. Yeah. It is a crochet as you go motif. I think she's just gorgeous. She actually is very warm. And I fell in love with that yarn and just had to find the pattern. I love to buy patterns in books and support other creators. So get out there, make something cool. I hope you like what I shared with you today, and please share what you make with us at #MSQC Show and Tell. Have a great day.